Our team name is Technocrats and we have built a model for deep learning based recommender system integrated with Django. Our code for main deep learning model is as follows. Firstly, we have imported the necessary libraries and dataset files and read the dataset. Then we have imported the ratings. Along with the rating, there is also a timestamp column that shows the date and time the review was submitted. Using the timestamp column, we will only implement a train test split strategy using the leave one out methodology. For each user, to convert this dataset into an implicit feedback dataset, we'll simply binarize the ratings such that they are 1, that is positive class. The value of 1 represents the user has interacted with the item. It is important to note that using implicit feedback reframes the problem that our recommender is trying to solve. The code below generates 4 negative samples for each row of data. In other words, the ratio of negative to positive samples is 4:1. This ratio is chosen arbitrarily, but it works very well and we now have the data in the format required by our model. Now let's define a PyTorch dataset to facilitate training. The class below simply encapsulates the code we have written above into a PyTorch dataset class. This creates a new randomly chosen set of negative samples for each epoch, which ensures that our model is not biased by the selection of negative samples. Now our model is trained. The evaluation protocol is known as hit ratio @ 10 and it is commonly used to evaluate recommender systems. The hit ratio @ 10 is 0.86. This means 86% of the users were recommended the actual item among a list of 10 items that they eventually interacted with. Further, we are going to integrate this deep learning model with Django to create application in domain dedicated to recommendations on similar and best products for customer, increasing the model's versatility, scalability, and security. Thank you.